Do you have that one workbook that you use so often that you just want to quickly refer to in Excel, and you just don't want to keep on going into the folder looking for it, and you don't want to put it on your desktop? Well, there is a quicker way that you can access a workbook. So what you can do is you can pin it to your Excel taskbar. So on your Excel, you can pin it. Like my Excel daily plan, I pinned it on top. So let's say I want to pin this one on top so that I can just access it anytime. I can just click here, pin to list. So that next time I want to open it, I just right click and see it here and open it. So this is how you can pin your Excel workbook to the top. But remember that if you move the current location of this workbook, it will lose the memory and you will no longer be able to use this pinned task here, and it will just ask you to remove it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other Excel tricks and tips that you want to share with others, please don't hesitate to just throw them in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.